Hey, this is Phyllis. I'm going to show you my African gray. His name is Sammy. He'll come on out while I clean his cage. He's a little Timneh gray. He's a really good talker, and with any luck, he'll talk for you. He's real camera shy, but maybe I can get him to talk for you. You going to come out? You going to come out and see everybody? Do you want to come out and be on film? Well, you stay there and I'll clean the cage. How's that? Come on out if you need to. Come on out, I'll put you on the camera. Come on out if you need to. Come on out. Come on out, Sammy. He'll come on out in just a minute. There he comes. Hey, there comes Sammy. Show her a little close-up of Sammy. Can you talk for us, baby Sammy? Can you talk for us, little baby Sammy? Hey, Sammy might not have a whole lot to say. He's got a great old big cage here. Got Sammy covered up right now. Usually try to keep him covered up, but Sammy's got a great old big cage over here. Got him a whole bunch of toys. You want to show Sammy's big old cage? Yeah, I'll try not to get over here. I got to put some paper in your cage here, little buddy. I'll just stick it over your head. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Here's Sammy, in Sammy's big old cage. If you pull back and see Sammy's big old cage, you might have to move the focus back a little bit. I might have zoomed in too far. Okay, here's Sammy. This is his big old cage. This cage is big enough to hold a human being, but he likes his space. We call this his condominium. But yes, I like it. But yes, say, I've got a puppy dog too. Come on through, Jessie. Yes, I like my cage. See, I like my big old cage.